Hello everybody and welcome back to the King Fox channel. My name's Matt Conager and I'm building a Kit Fox Model 7 STI. Thanks for sticking with me on the previous episodes as I moved through the tail section. It was a little slow, a little painful. I'm definitely learning. So I got the heater kicking and I'm about to tear into the fuselage. So turning into a new chapter, I'm going to start a new playlist and I'm going to try to name videos as I move along in the fuselage. So from this point forward, if someone else is building a Kit Fox, they can hopefully reference the video by name of the chapter or the title of the item that I'm installing, and then you can search or watch me succeed and do the same thing yourself. So stick with me as we move forward into the fuselage, installing the flight controls. Here we go.